Here's a new speaker connected here. Here's the wiring for this. The striped one is positive, the solid one's negative. Same thing. Striped one's positive, black one's negative. Wire stripper. Stripped. I like to twist them. You don't have to. I like to twist them. It makes it easy to work with. What's in the car? Old and shitty and don't want to strip. I didn't need to leave these wires that long, but I'm doing it just for ease of attaching everything. I can leave the speaker sitting here. I have room to reach up here. I'm going to connect these. I'm going to use electrical solder because these wires are very tiny, and trying to use terminal connectors. I found on the other doors they're not great, and they won't crimp all the way down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just twist those together. Soldering gun. Burn a little solder on here. I should have pre-tinned these, but I don't have the time for that right now. Cleanest soldering job, but isn't the best soldering gun on earth either. It's a Craftsman cordless, like 20 volt. Those are connected. electrical tape, tape up the connection. Same thing with negative. Twist them together. Sort of hold them so I can hold the solder. The soldering gun. So I don't have someone helping me, which is why the camera kind of moves around. I have a flip camera, so I can kind of leave it. You can kind of see some of what's happening. That was a much better soldering job than the other side. All right. Tape everything together. Like I said, I left this wire long. You don't have to. So the wiring, stuff it back in there. Little speaker. You get a little wiring inside, and then find a point where that peg fits through one of the holes on the speaker. Just reverse, screw everything back together.